In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your content creation in Trello. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or you're tightening up an existing workflow, I'll walk you through a simple, repeatable system that keeps ideas moving smoothly from brainstorm to publish. Start by creating a new board dedicated to a single creative project, like your YouTube channel, your blog, or your podcast. Keeping projects in separate boards makes it easier to focus and prevents your ideas from getting buried. Give the board a clear name so you immediately know what lives there when you open Trello. Next, set up your lists from left to right so they mirror the path your work takes. Begin with ideas or backlog. This is your brain dump. Capture every concept, angle, or raw thought here without judging it. When something is worth acting on soon, move it into to-do or next up. Keep this list intentionally short, 2 to 3 pieces you plan to create this week, so you stay realistic and avoid overwhelm. As you start working, drag a card into in production. This covers writing, scripting, designing, filming, whatever hands-on work the piece needs. When that's done, move it to review or edit. This list is your quality gate for feedback, final cuts, and polish. After it passes review, shift it to ready to publish. That means it's scheduled or queued up, just waiting for go live. Finally, once it's out in the world, drop it into done or published. At the end of the week, archive or clear this list to keep the board tidy and your momentum high. Each piece of content should have its own card. Open the card and add a checklist that covers your repeatable steps, like outline, film or draft, edit, create thumbnail or artwork, write description or show notes, and schedule. This turns big tasks into bite-sized wins. Add a due date to create urgency and keep teammates aligned on timing. Use labels to categorize by theme, platform, or priority so you can filter fast when you're planning a week or batching similar work. And attach whatever you'll need. Reference links, scripts, images, or cloud documents. So everything is one click away when it's time to execute. That's the entire system. A clear board, a left to right flow, and well-structured cards that do the thinking for you. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.